before we continue this video, please help me to press the subscribe button and like buttons. Alright, now we can continue the video. In this video, I will presenting about the oil and gas industry, which is one of the most important energy source in the world. We look at how it is formed, its sectors, the importance of oil and gas, and the challenges and its features. Alright guys, as you all can see here, oil and gas are essential to modern life, powering transportation, generating electricity, and supporting numerous of industries. This is resourceful for our cars, truck, and plane. Without them, global travel and trade would come to a standstill. In power plants, natural gas and oil provide electricity that lights home, schools, hospitals, and business, keeping societies running smoothly. Oil is also a key ingredient in the production of materials like plastic, fertilizers, and synthetic fabrics, which are crucial to everyday life. From construction to healthcare, industry rely on oil-based products for everything from medical supplies to infrastructure. When the technology sector depends on petroleum products for devices like smartphones and computers. Besides, the global economy as we know it is built around oil and gas, while alternative energy sources are growing. These fossil fuels still play a central role in powering the world. Without them, our industries, job, and way of life would be radically different. Alright, next we will talk about the formation of oil and gas. It means how the oil and gas exists. Okay, oil and gas are formed from millions of years ago from the remains of plants and animals that buried under the earth. As we can see, over time, heat and pressure transform these remains into hydrocarbons, which we now extract from underground reservoirs. Alright, now we continue with the fourth slides. We will talk about the upstream sector in oil and gas. The first stage of oil and gas industry is called the upstream sector. This is where the exploration and production happen. Companies search for oil and gas reserve and then drill wells either on the land or offshore. Then they will bring the oil and gas to the surface. There are many oil and gas national companies such as Petronas and Malaysia. And now we look at the midstream sector. It was the transportation and storage. Alright. Once we look at the oil and gas are extracted and then they need to be transported and stored. This is midstream sector. Pipeline, ships, and trucks move oil and gas across the countries, while storage facilities keep reserves safe until they are needed. Okay, guys. Just now I just explained the upstream sector and the midstream sector. Then uh, I want to explain about the downstream sector. It is about refining and distribution. The downstream sector, crude oil, is defined into useful products such as petrol, diesel, and jet fuel. This sector also produces petrochemicals, which are used to make plastics, fertilizer, and many of daily use items. Alright guys, now we will look at the importance of oil and gas. The importance of oil and gas are essential because they provide around 60% of the world energy. It is the biggest. The fuel transport support industries and create millions of jobs. On top of that, there are many everyday products from plastic to medicines, and it is depends on petrochemical derived from oil and gas. Alright guys, now we look at the challenges in the oil and gas industry. As we can see here, there are many of challenges However, the industry faces several challenges. Oil spills and drilling risks harm the environment. Burning fossils fuels contributes to climate change. Price also fluctuates, which can affect the global economy. That's why there's increasing pressure to reduce dependence on oil and gas. Alright, and now we will look at the future of oil and gas. Looking forward, the industry is changing. Cleaner technology like carbon capture and green hydrogen are being developed. Many of oil and gas companies are also investing in renewable energy. The future will likely be a mix of traditional and sustainable energy sources. Oil and gas will still play a key role in the energy mix until at least 2050, especially in transportation, petrochemicals, and heavy industries. However, growth is slowing as renewable energy, electrification, and efficiency measure expands. In short, uh, I just can tell in short that oil and gas are not disappearing soon, but their role is changing. The industry future will be less about pumping more barrels and more about sustainability, diversifications, and cleaner technology. Alright, finally guys, we have been close to the end of the video. In conclusion, oil and gas have powered the world for over a century and remain essential today. But at the same time, the industry must adapt to global challenges and move towards cleaner and more sustainable energy. The oil and gas industry will remain a crucial part of the global energy system in the coming decades, but its role is evolving. While it continues to supply energy and raw material essential for transportation, manufacturing, and everyday life, the industry faces mounting pressures to adapt to climate goals, technological change, and shifting market demands. To stay relevant, oil and gas companies must embrace cleaner technologies, diversity into renewable energy, and reduce their carbon footprint rather than being seen as part of the problem. The industry has the potential to be part of the solution by driving innovation in energy efficiency, carbon capture, hydrogen, and sustainable practice. In short, the future of oil and gas industry will not be about producing more barrels alone, but about producing energy responsibly, efficiently, and sustainably to meet the world growing needs while supporting the global transition to a low carbon futures. I think that's all from me, guys, and I hope you guys enjoying my video, and thank you.